Hello everyone and welcome to another DIY workshop tutorial. In this 3-part tutorial we will show you how you can replace the upper electric motor from the radiator shutters on the Audi A4 B9. I split this tutorial into 3 parts because it involves 3 main steps and I wanted each part to be as detailed as possible so that you don't break any plastic clips or trims. Part number 1 is removing the front bumper and one of the headlights. Part 2 is removing the shutter grille and replacing the motor. And part 3 is calibrating the active grille shutters. Check the description of each video for the links to the other 2 parts. Now that we finish replacing the shutter grille's electric motor, we will have to calibrate the system using a diagnostic tool. For VCDS you have to go to Engine, Basic Settings, and then IDE 10304 Radiator Shutters Adaptation. Press Start and the shutters should start calibrating. And that was all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best and remember, the DIY workshop saves money. Bye bye!